All right, hello guys. This is Fightek. So today we make a game, like a chess game that we make it easy for you to just play around and just play game. We're actually working on a password generator. It's actually working though, but I'm not gonna test it so you don't know the kind of password I make use of. So, but it's just for educational purpose. So it's not for you to steal from someone else. You understand? Now, let's try the game out. All right, so he said input the row number, let's say row 2. So row 2, column 3. No, let's just say column 3, yeah. So we have, it has added, so let's say the second player want to pay, say, column, you can see it's add another one. It said it has added here, So let's say column 1, 1. It's added here, so let's say column 0, 1. You see, so that is how the game work. I know you have understand what you're trying to do. So thank you so much. See you next time.